Now we are going to introduce the beautiful phone V1. V1 basically is a phone made by magnesium alloy and it's coated by nano coating. It's available in gold and silver. The front panel is coming IPS HD 1280 into 720. Okay, let me show you the camera modes. Okay, there are few camera modes like this. So normal, face beauty, HDR, panorama, night, PPT and water mode. There is also a children mode. Actually, if you want to click a picture of your children, you just do one thing, tap on that mode, just press on any mode, and when your children will attract to you and it will detect the face of the children and you can tap the photo easily. So it will make beautiful for you. And if you go there, if you just turn to the front camera mode, you can see the gender detection actually. So if you are male and if you want to make your face beautify, just do it and it will just recognize your face. Okay, and when you are tapping this, it will just beautify your face according to you. Okay. Those are the professional modes. Actually, there are few professional modes more. So let me show you those things. So if you want to just adjust the exposure value, ISO, shutter speed, white balance, everything, so you can do it like that. Okay, so you might be just taking up high speed photography, so you can choose the shutter speed. You can just change the shutter speed. The ISO is here, the white balance is here. You can change the light over here. Okay. Those are things. And if you want to test that your hand is proper or not, your hand is still or not, so you can test it like that. Okay. Then you can just add spiral, LP, LU, RB spirals over here actually.
And what is the screen size?
This is screen 5 inch only.
5 inches.
5 inch only.
And what about the processor?
Processor, it's using 1.2 GHz 64-bit Snapdragon processor.
Okay.
1.2 GHz.
Okay. And what about the internal memory?
16 GB ROM and 2 GB RAM.
2 GB RAM.
Expandable up to 128 GB.
128. And what about the back camera and the front camera?
13 megapixel is the rear camera and front camera is 5 megapixel.
5 megapixel. Okay. And where is the volume rocker key and power button?
Yeah, this side. Volume rocker and power button.
Which side? Right side?
It's right side.
Yeah.
Anything
And
else?
This is the charging port area?
Yeah, this is the charging port area and this is the micro SD card area.
This is the
micro SD and 3.5
3.5 mm. Okay. And where a user can insert their SIM?
Yeah, we can insert our SIM over here.
Okay. Nice. Okay. To show me some different features.
Definitely, sir. So in music, there is actually no music. So it basically supports hi-fi music.
Okay.
This is a Flagship Pioneer phone of hi-fi music. It gives a boom sound or 3D sound. You'll be able to get over here. Okay. And if you just draw C, it will just open my dial pad.
Yeah.
Okay. If I draw W, it open my WhatsApp. Okay. If I draw @ it will open my email.
Okay.
Email is currently installed out here. So if I draw Facebook, okay, it will open my Facebook.
Okay. So now show me the settings inside the setting area. So what are the some settings? Yeah. What are like the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, sound? Yeah.
Wi-Fi.
No. I just want to sound, brightness, display account, settings, location, super screenshot.
Super screenshot. Okay, you want to see the super screenshot. Like if you want to see the super screenshot.
Yeah. These are the some settings, na? Yeah.
Exactly.
Yeah. Super screenshot.
Super screenshot. Go to the super screenshot area. If you want to make a long screenshot.
Yeah.
Okay. So in your area, actually, then click next. It will go to the next page. Actually, this is the bottom. This is a single page. Okay. So if you click next, it will go to the next page. Okay. Then click on save.
Okay.
There are many modes here actually. So tap on that. Long screenshot, screen recording, screen recording with audio. Okay. And various funny screenshots are there.
And show me the how many storage RAM a user can get.
Storage.
Yeah. Storage. What is the user space? User space is
6.63 GB and available space is 9.37 GB.
Okay. And what about the RAM? You just go inside the app area?
Yeah, surely.
Yeah. Go to app area. Application. Running. Yeah. What about inside the RAM area, what will be the available?
8 MB is used and 1 GB is available. So
yeah.
it's perfect for the user.
Okay.
And it can run
Yeah,
high definition games.
okay. And show me the notification area. What are the items inside the notification?
Notification is basically spotlight.
Okay.
So if we want to search anything over here, we can definitely search something over here.
Okay, and what about from top to this is
Actually,
also
the running
notification.
applications will be shown over here.
Yeah.
Okay. Just if we want to close the all running applications, we just tap here.
Okay.
The logged applications will not be just closed when you are just speeding up your phone.
Okay.
There is also another thing like iManager.
Okay.
In iManager, phone clean, data monitor, application manager, power manager, rejection, privacy, everything is there.
Okay.
So might be if you want to go to privacy,
Okay.
so you can set a password over here. Okay. And for app manager.
Yeah. Nice. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned with Technutra. Thank you.